Extensive corrosion on the starboard wing spar. Documenting now. Copy that. Check the tension wires near the fuselage joint, they look compromised. The rust penetration on the fuselage panel exceeds 40%. Noted. Check the structural integrity of the wing support next. The laser scan shows the corrosion depth at nearly 80% on this rib. Copy that. Logging it now. We need to secure this section immediately.
Ground team, report structural integrity on the starboard wing.
Reading stable tension, slight sway detected.
Copy that, continue ascent.
We have a 20-degree shift in the wind. Need to adjust the load now.
Extraction control, we are green for lift.
Acknowledged. Proceed slowly. Keep monitoring the wind.
Tension on line 3 is holding steady. Confirm secure. We are ready for transport.
We have contact on all primary cradles. Suspension engaging smoothly. The fuselage is secure.
Heavy lift approaching the eastern ridge. Wind speeds are increasing slightly. Monitor the load.
All right, hold it right there. Brakes engaged.
Copy that. Moving to position 2.
The engine housing corrosion is worse than anticipated. Note the deep pitting here. Documented. We'll need a full spectrographic analysis. Sable. The corrosion around these mounting points is critical. We need to scan the entire bulkhead.
The readings confirm significant degradation.
Hold the lift at 20 feet. Monitor the starboard side clearance. Roger that. Starboard side is clear. Tension stable.
Look at the state of this linkage. It's completely oxidized.
We'll need to document the exact position before we remove the pulley.
Check the alignment on the main strut. Reading within tolerance. Verify the mounting brackets are secure before proceeding.
Remeasure the attachment surface tolerance.
It's within the historical specification now. The geometry is restored.
This fuselage alone is a massive undertaking.
Agreed. The engine block shows severe pitting as well.
Scan complete on joint 4.
Readings are stable, consistent with the revised schematics.
Check the serial number against the 1922 manifest. It matches. Place it on Table 4, Section B.
Harness 5/9er Praveren.
Verified and ready for staging.
Careful with the edge. This one connects to the main spar.
Got it. It's heavier than it looks.
Check the alignment reference on this junction point. The spec sheet says 4.2 millimeters.
Confirmed. The laser scan shows perfect adherence to the engineering drawings. Harness 47 Alpha is ready for integration, sir.
Looks perfect. The routing is exactly to spec.
We need to verify the dihedral angle before the final rivet sequence.
I've double-checked the measurements. They are within tolerance.
Check the bezel on this one, make sure it's secure.
Looks good. All the markings are clear.
All right, let's move these to the assembly tray.
Alignment on Section 4 is complete. Verified. The laser shows a perfect match. Check the alignment on Section 4.
Looks good. Tolerances are within spec.
Go ahead and secure the lower bolts.
The alignment on this primary mount looks spot on.
Yes, the laser confirms it's within tolerance. Let's verify the torque on the tension rods.
Approaching the mounts. Guidance needed. Steady as she goes. Easy now.
We are aligned. Begin securing sequence. Ensure the load distribution fittings are perfectly flush.
Confirmed. The laser alignment is showing green across the board.
The thickness is within tolerance at 2.2 millimeters.
Confirmed. The curvature matches the schematic for Section 4.
The curvature alignment on this section is perfect.
Verified against the 1922 specs. Ready for staging. Laser alignment confirms symmetry across the main spar. The reading matches the spec sheet. We're good to proceed with the tension adjustment. Alignment is good on the lower strut.
Verified. Torque looks perfect.
A critical milestone achieved. The engine support structures are seamlessly integrated, ready for the power plant.
Make sure this harness clears the inspection panel.
Check the documentation. It aligns with the 1922 specifications.
This harness routes directly to the main avionics module here.
Verified. Ensure the shielding is properly grounded at this junction.
Check the load distribution structures against the schematic. Verified. The alignment references match the original design specs perfectly.
Bring it down another meter, slowly.
Copy that. Descending. Alignment looks good on the rear spar.
Secure the forward mounts. The thickness is consistent across the entire sheet.
Agreed. Let's double-check the schematic for the alignment points before we secure it.
Okay, cross-reference the fuselage sections. Verified against Manifest 12B, all present and accounted for.
Check the leading edge alignment here.
Looks good, within tolerance. Let's tighten the clamps. The colossal Fokker D.VII, freshly coated in dark rusted green, undergoes its final curing process. This specialized...
The gloss on this cowling is exceptional.
Museum quality confirmed.
Brakes check good, power at 1000.
Roger that, looking solid down here.